Hello lovelies, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we're going to be making this easy simple snack. We're going to have our potatoes there. We're going to peel them and wash them and dice them. Once diced, we're going to deep fry them as you would chips until they're ready, and then we're going to put them aside. We're going to deep fry our sausages. I used 2. Once they're deep fried, we're going to cut them into these circular shapes and set them aside. And now we're going to start making our masala puree. We're going to deep fry our onions and capsicum, that's hoho, and add our spices. We're going to add some garlic. I don't know why it's not coming out. Okay, there we go. Garlic. And then we're going to add some black pepper. And then we're also going to add some paprika. And finally, we're going to put some curry powder to give it that nice yellow color. And we're going to stir that up real nice. Once it's all stirred up, we're going to add in our salt. Don't put too much salt because we're going to add some tomato paste, and tomato paste has salt. We don't want it to be too salty. So I'm going to add 2 teaspoons of tomato paste. And then I'm also going to add some tomato sauce just to give it that sweet flavor. Then I'm going to mix that up nicely until it's all mixed up. We're gonna add some little water just to soften that consistency, and then we're gonna let this simmer and put low heat for it to simmer. Once it's simmered, we're gonna add our pre-cooked potatoes. We're also gonna add in the sausages, and then we're gonna mix all that up nicely. Once we're done, that's our result. Enjoy.